constantly people change the view. They have seen you, they have observed you. So if they have decided to take you over here, they'll not try to reject you. So don't do any foolishness. Be confident, be calm. The decision which had to be taken is taken. Still you can turn it positive. Maybe they were not willing to take you. You were at a par score, borderline candidates as they say, and then the conference is very important for you. Whatever it is, conference is the last place you need to lose your confidence in. You need to go there, walk confident, be confident, sit confident, look into the eyes, have a pleasant smile on your face, or even not that, be yourself, answer to the question. In conference there is nothing specific that is asked, they'll not throw you general knowledge questions, they'll not throw at you questions about your personal life or something like that. There will be very general questions like, okay Chetan, how was your stay at the SSB center? How is the weather here? How is it different from your home city? And questions like this. Did you find any problems in this center and everything? Or questions like this. You can expect anything. You don't need to be prepared for them again. You get prepared for 100 things, the 111th is asked. That is the thing. So you go there, have your natural responses, be cool, calm, with a pleasant personality. You walk in, you walk out pleasantly. Don't do slight mischiefs, moving the chair, banging the door and everything. Be cool, calm and composed. After the conference, you will be sent out. You will be sitting with the people who are worried about the result, because now is the time for the result. When you are sitting for the result, don't be very happy as if you have performed very well. You will not be sure about it. Don't be sad. This is a general message. Don't be sad if you think you have not done well. Maybe you have not done well. There's still chance for you to get selected, because this is, again I say, this exam is not where the answers are wrong or right. The exam checks a standard of the personality you should have to get into the armed forces. If you have that personality, you will be taken. If you don't have that personality, you will not be taken. Nothing to get sad. You don't know how you have done. It is as simple as that. Had you known how you have done, there would have been no need of the officers who are sitting and examining you, right? So you have done what you had to do. You have portrayed yourself, you have done your best. Maybe there were activities, physical or exams or group discussions where you could have done better. You do it better next time. But you have completed everything. So give your 100% while you do it, and don't be sad about what happens next, because it is already over. And don't try to panic others, because maybe someone is very cool and calm and you all are worried and he gets worried with you all. So actually you have spent 5 days with these fellows. These are the last moments. Maybe 1 or 2 of them will be selected, the rest of the people will go home. Maybe all of you will go home. It is also quite a possibility. They are batch washouts if they don't think that anyone from that batch meets the criteria that they are looking for. So these are the last few moments. Spend it happily, talk to people and everything. Then the president or maybe any of the officers will come with a list. That list may be blank as well. So they'll come up with the list. They'll tell your chest number. They'll tell the chest number of the people who have been screened in. That is, the SSB examination is cleared. There may be 3 people, there may be 4 people, there may be 10 people, there may be no one. So they'll call out in a particular sequence, and you stand up. They'll ask you some details. Maybe they'll ask you to speak out your name out loud, your chest number or something like that. Maybe they'll ask you something, anything. Nothing to panic. If your name is called out, you can express your happiness in the way you want. It is something to be very happy about. There will be other names which will be called out. Maybe there will be no names that will be called out and everything. Rest of the people will go home. If you are selected, even if you are not selected, say a goodbye and go home. Enjoy. if you are selected, you will be told of the process that is to follow. There will be more verification of documents. There will be a new set of chest numbers that all the individuals will get. These chest numbers will be different. They'll have a plus sign on them. That plus sign indicates that now you are ready for the medical examinations. That is a plus sign which you see on the ambulance. So the medical examinations might take 3-4 days, a week, and if you are fit enough, your eyesight, your ears, your mouth, your teeth, your bones and everything, x-ray, everything, and it takes quite, you need to be patient on those days. It takes 4 to 5 days. You'll be taken to the medical center, but there's nothing to panic. You can tell at your home, I have cleared my SSB examination, I'm giving the medicals. You may be stopped in the medicals as well if those are not cleared. That was the case with me. I cleared my SSB, but I was stuck in the medical examinations. There were some issues and I was therefore not able to join the academy. There were two other fellows with me who joined the academy and I couldn't. So it happens. Everything is part and parcel of life. You need to learn from the lessons that you learn from every experience. So that is it. That is the entire process of SSB. Now, overall, what preparation can you take? There will be a lot of question and answers you can see on the internet and everything. Everything at the end sums up to this: you need to be yourself. You need to portray the right yourself. When you tell the truth, you don't have to learn it, you don't have to prepare it. It can be instantaneous. You are yourself. You are not cheating anyone. When you cheat someone, because at times there are things that, okay, if someone says me, who is my idol, I'll tell it is my father. There is no harm if it is your father. I'm just giving an instance. It is my father. Maybe it portrays good. But if actually it is not your father, and during the interview, it is revealed. It can be revealed. That you will understand when you first face the interview. Then that is not good. But it is very, very common to tell the truth. Tell the truth and everything goes fine. Be sure of a few other things. There is your height and weight measured in the medical examinations as well. And when you get SSB interview call letter, there is a standard which will be written that for this height we want this weight. Nowadays we have gyms in every locality, multiple gyms in every locality. Join a gym or maybe go for jogging, improve your stamina, do regular exercises, eat good healthy food. You don't need to have a reason as nonsense as this that you are not physically fit and that is why you could not do a few physical tasks and everything. There may be injuries, there may be unforeseen circumstances, that is fine, but you need to be prepared. Make sure if you're overweight, I was a little overweight and but I saw the list, the standard weight that you should have with your height, and I decreased my weight in around 15 days. So you can do that. If you are expecting a SSB interview call, you should do it. You have enough of time, right? So be ready that you complete these minimum barriers, you overcome these minimum barriers, and you be mentally, physically prepared for them. You be yourself, you be your personality, and then you can clear this SSB examination. This is now it took me around 1 hour to tell you what this SSB examination is about. By this, it is very easy to understand that it is not easy, it is tough, but it is not impossible if you be yourself. You be yourself, do well, and everything is easy. Rest, leave it on the hands of God. If you deserve it, if the armed forces, if the officers who are evaluating you, they think you're worth it, you're worth it. After all this SSB examination, after the medical list, after you clear the medical examinations, there will be a final list, that will merit list that we call, that will come out. Your name should be in that. If your name is on that, you will be called to the academy for your training. Your training for 1 year or whatever is the time span, and after which you become a commissioned officer in the armed forces. So this is all about the 5-day SSB examination, all the things that will happen. So make sure when you go, you are well prepared. You might not get complete rest and sleep over there. Be ready for all those things. You are grown up when you go there. So be ready for all the circumstances. Make good friends there, and I promise you this, that the experience you have in a SSB center, you will not have it anywhere else, and you will never forget it. With that being said, do good. If you are looking forward to join the Indian Armed Forces, you need to clear a few exams that I have told you before, and this is how you prepare for the SSB examination. If you have any questions regarding the video, regarding any of the tasks, any of the day, feel free to comment below. And if you like this video, if you have not seen other videos, please watch our other videos in our YouTube channel Vision to Success, our Facebook page vision2success.in. Like, share, subscribe us if you like our videos. Thank you.